Today, we're excited to introduce OptiMind, a breakthrough AI from Microsoft that will redefine how businesses operate. OptiMind isn't just another AI, it's a fundamental shift in purpose. For years, AI has created content, text, images, code. Now it's here to help us make the best possible decisions. OptiMind tackles the most complex business challenges, helping you find the smartest, most efficient path forward. Think about the endless decisions leaders face: delivery routes, factory schedules, inventory management. Each a complex puzzle with trillions of possible answers. Until now, finding the single best solution was out of reach. OptiMind puts powerful optimization tools in the hands of every decision maker, democratizing access to advanced problem solving. Our vision is simple: empower every person and organization to achieve more by making smarter, faster decisions. OptiMind bridges your business needs, described in your own words, to sophisticated mathematical solutions. It listens, translates, and delivers actionable insights. This isn't just about efficiency, it's a catalyst for innovation and growth. By freeing people from overwhelming complexity, OptiMind lets them focus on strategy, creativity, and relationships. This is the next chapter in AI, helping businesses thrive in a complex world. What is optimization? It's making the best possible choice from a set of options, a concept we use every day. When you use a map app to find the fastest route, you're solving an optimization problem. The app considers all routes, traffic, and speed limits to give you the best answer. Businesses face these puzzles daily, but on a massive scale. A delivery company must plan routes for an entire fleet, aiming to deliver every package on time with minimal fuel. A factory schedules machines and workers to maximize output and meet deadlines. A retailer decides how much of each product to stock, balancing demand and waste. Each scenario has a clear objective: minimize cost, maximize production, and a set of constraints. The number of possible combinations is astronomical. The challenge: find the one perfect solution among trillions of possibilities. Optimization is about navigating this complexity to find the best path forward. With OptiMind, businesses can finally solve these puzzles quickly and confidently. It's about turning complexity into clarity. For decades, solving complex optimization problems was slow, expensive, and required rare expertise. Businesses needed teams of mathematicians to translate problems into mathematical models, a process that took weeks or months. Even a small mistake in the model could derail the entire solution. After modeling, experts had to write code to interface with optimization solvers, tuning countless parameters. This workflow was rigid and couldn't keep up with the fast pace of modern business. By the time a solution was found, the problem might have already changed. Any update meant starting over, making real-time optimization impossible for most. The old way was powerful, but too slow and inflexible. Most companies simply couldn't access this level of optimization. OptiMind changes all of that. OptiMind revolutionizes the optimization workflow. Now, you can describe your business problem in plain English. No mathematicians or programmers required. For example, I have 50 trucks, 1,000 customers. Each truck can carry 400 packages, and I want to minimize total travel distance. OptiMind understands your objectives, variables, and constraints. It automatically formulates the precise mathematical model needed. Work that once took weeks, now done in minutes. OptiMind generates the equations and logical conditions for your scenario, choosing the right model for your problem. It then writes clean, executable code ready for industry-standard solvers. No programming expertise required. OptiMind delivers both the model and the code. This end-to-end automation is what makes OptiMind revolutionary. It puts optimization power directly in the hands of business experts. Complex problem solving is now accessible to everyone. OptiMind's breakthrough comes from three core innovations. First, its mixture of experts, MOE architecture. Many specialized models, each excelling at a part of the optimization process. When you present a problem, OptiMind routes tasks to the right experts, making it efficient and accurate. Second, its massive context window. OptiMind can process entire documents, spreadsheets, and detailed rules at once. This deep understanding captures every nuance and constraint. Third, solver-in-the-loop refinement. After generating a model and code, OptiMind runs the solution, checks results, and self-corrects. It iterates until it produces a high-quality, efficient answer. These three technologies, MOE, large context window, and solver-in-the-loop, work together to create a system far beyond a typical language model. Specialized skill, deep understanding, and self-correction ensure reliability. OptiMind translates messy, human-described problems into precise, structured solutions. This unique combination delivers power and dependability businesses can trust. It's optimization, reimagined for the real world. That's what sets OptiMind apart. OptiMind's mission is accessibility for all. That's why we're releasing it as open source, free for developers, researchers, students, and businesses worldwide. Open source accelerates innovation and ensures broad benefits. Anyone can inspect, improve, and adapt OptiMind for new challenges. A global community can contribute features, fix bugs, and expand its capabilities. Universities can train students in cutting-edge optimization, and small businesses can compete with industry giants. We're committed to supporting this community with documentation, tutorials, and events. OptiMind will become a standard platform for solving optimization problems, with a rich ecosystem built by the community. By opening it up, we unleash creativity and problem-solving on a global scale. Together, we can drive positive change across industries and society. OptiMind is already transforming industries. In logistics, companies optimize distribution networks in real time, rerouting shipments instantly when disruptions occur. Manufacturing plants use OptiMind to generate optimal production schedules, adapting quickly to changes and boosting efficiency. Financial advisors use it to build mathematically optimized portfolios, tailored to client goals and risk tolerance. In energy, utilities balance supply and demand, integrating renewables and minimizing costs. OptiMind enables agility, efficiency, and smarter decisions across sectors. It empowers managers to respond to change, reduce waste, and improve outcomes. These examples show OptiMind's broad potential to drive meaningful impact. It's not just a tool, it's a catalyst for industry transformation. The future of business optimization is here. OptiMind is designed to partner with human experts, not replace them. It handles complex computation, freeing people to focus on strategy and creative problem-solving. OptiMind provides data-driven recommendations, but humans make the final call. For example, an airline scheduler can use OptiMind to generate recovery plans after a snowstorm, but uses their judgment to choose the best option. The AI analyzes billions of possibilities. The human brings context, ethics, and experience. This partnership leads to better, more responsible decisions. OptiMind's interface encourages interactive dialogue. Users can ask what-if questions and explore trade-offs. Managers can refine solutions based on real-world knowledge. AI provides the options. Humans make the choice. Together, they achieve more than either could alone. That's the future of decision intelligence. OptiMind marks a new era for AI, moving from content creation to critical decision-making. Generative AI amazed us with essays, images, and code, but the next frontier is solving real-world operational challenges. OptiMind shifts AI from creative assistant to trusted analytical partner. Optimizing supply chains, logistics, and production schedules can save billions and drive efficiency. This is where AI delivers its deepest economic value. OptiMind excels at problems with clear objectives and constraints, but some decisions still require human judgment and ethics. Ensuring fairness and alignment with human values remains a priority. We're committed to responsible development as we advance this technology. The future. Every leader has an AI partner to navigate complexity and make better choices. By automating optimization, we unlock human potential for strategy and creativity. This is the promise of OptiMind, the next chapter in empowering people and organizations worldwide.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.